In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug on your Scion XB. This is going to be located on the top of the motor. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, remove the two nuts for the top cover. Remove the cover. Remove the connector, push on the tab in the back. Should lift the tab up. If your tab is having trouble getting over the clip, gently use a small pry tool to help it over, and remove the connector. We're going to pull that connector off to the side. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the coil. Lift straight up and remove the coil. Using a 16mm socket, we're going to remove our spark plug. I'm going to crack them free and then remove them. Remove the spark plug. I'm going to install my spark plug into my socket. It stays in it. We're going to slowly and gently put it down the cylinder and get it started by hand. You don't want to drop these in and risk cracking the ceramic on the outside. And you always want to get these started by hand so they're not cross-threaded. Snug it down until you feel it gets snug. Torque the spark plug to 14 foot-pounds. Install the ignition coil. Push it all the way down until it's seated. Install the bolt. Snug it down. Torque the bolt to 6 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the plastic cover. Get the two nuts started. And snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.